Hi, this is Jeannie at Trendy Tree, and I'm just going to take a little bit of time out and make some really easy bows using the EZ Bowmaker. But one of the things that we're always getting questions about is how to use the EZ Bowmaker, and it's just really easy. Now we sell this and the Pro Bow. The Pro Bow makes a little different bow, and you can make some bows the same on the EZ Bowmaker as you can on the Pro Bow and on the Bowdabra. But it's really a little bit easier, I think, to just grab the EZ Bowmaker. All the EZ Bowmaker is this piece of wood, 2 pegs, and a spool, a peg for the spool holder. Now, when you take your EZ Bowmaker out of the box, you need to tap in these wooden pegs with a hammer, just real gently. You'll think they're not going to go, but just tap them in, and then that way you don't have to worry with, I never take mine apart, so just tap them in and leave it alone. So I've got three 2.5-inch ribbons, and okay, well, I don't have 6 ribbons that really will match for Patriotic, so I'm going to use 4, and then I'll just do a repeat of a couple of them. Like I say, this is more for bow technique, not necessarily ribbons that go together or that sort of thing. So I'm going to start out with the stripe ribbon. And like I say, if it's a new ribbon, just cut that little folded edge off. All right, so we're going to start with, we're going to go with an 8-inch tail. I'm going to pinch that up, drop it in the slot. I'm going to twist. And I'm going to make a 5-inch loop. Drop it in the slot, twist, and make a 5-inch loop on the opposite side. Okay, and then I'm going to come out and cut my ribbon off. Okay, so when I do the ribbon this way, I'm going to kind of go ahead and kind of be separating my ribbon out as I go. I want to have like my loops kind of opposite each other, my tails kind of opposite each other, sort of in an X fashion. Okay, and then I'm just going to take another one of the Patriotic ribbons. And we're going to do 8-inch tail, pinch it up, drop it in the slot. Make a 5-inch loop. Drop it in the slot, twist, get the right side up. Just move your loop out of the way so you can see your markings. 5-inch loop, and then end off the ribbon. Okay, so this time I'm going to pull that loop out over that tail and have a tail over this loop just to kind of keep my pattern going. Okay, and next I'm going to take this narrow ribbon, it's a glitter, drop it in there. Make an 8-inch tail, drop it down. I can go ahead and like pull that tail over that loop right there, just to kind of help me start, kind of keep my placement of my ribbons. Give me a twist, make a 5-inch loop. Give it a twist. Another 5-inch loop. Come on out to an 8-inch tail. I like that blue. I'm probably going to use that again for sure. Okay, and kind of line that loop up. So I've got a loop, a tail, and a loop, a tail, a loop, and a tail, and so forth. Okay, so next I'm going to take this Home with the Brave ribbon, drop it down, 8-inch tail, give it a twist. Get a 5-inch loop. Another 5-inch loop. Okay, and end that ribbon off. Good gracious, I got to have some scissors. All right. So I've used 4 different ribbons and I need to make 2 more loops. So I'm going to go with the stripe, 8-inch loop. No, I want to end with that stripe. Let's see. Let me go back with the glitter again. I really like that. Okay. Take a 5-inch loop. If you haven't shopped Trendy Tree, we hope that you will. We have absolutely thousands of different ribbons, thousands of styles of ribbons to choose from. We've got all kinds of wreath making supplies and florals and signs and everything you need to make a wreath. Okay, so now let me spread my stuff out. Okay. I'm going to finish off with the striped ribbon. Okay. So I got an 8-inch tail, drop it down, give it a twist, make a 5-inch loop. Give it a twist. This ribbon got twisted before I ever got started, y'all. 5-inch loop. And now, okay, I'm going to end that off. Let's see. Well, let's make a 3rd loop. Let's make a little center loop to cover up our mechanics. Now, you can do this either way. You can use a loop to cover it up. You can use a piece of ribbon across there. Okay, this is a pretty bulky handful here, okay? So, all right. So I'm going to press that down, ease it off the board. Let me get this out of the way. Take the chenille stem, go right over the top, hold on to it carefully, bring it to the bottom, keep that stack all stacked up. Slide my chenille stem under there. Okay, and I'll tighten my zip tie. Twist the chenille stem. Okay. And now then, we're going to start from the bottom. I have some tails that are a little long. But remember that last little loop, we're going to pull it over and that's going to cover up that zip tie, okay? I don't know, you can start from the top or the bottom. I don't think it really matters. Just get your pieces separated. Okay, after you get your loops kind of separated, you can go back and trim your tails as needed. I'm going to cut, I usually cut my 1.5 at an angle, and I'm going to cut 2.5 in a dovetail. And after you get them all cut, if you have some that still needs to be trimmed, you can just trim on them till you get it shaped up like you need it. Okay, pretty.